Struggling with puppy accidents every day? Here's how to fix it fast. Most puppy owners make one mistake that ruins potty training. The secret is routine, and puppies learn faster than you think. Take your puppy out first thing every single morning. Use the same potty spot so your puppy builds a habit. Use one simple cue word every time, like, "Go potty." When your puppy gets it right, reward immediately. Timing rewards fast helps your puppy connect the behavior. Take your golden retriever puppy out after meals, naps, and play. Skipping these potty breaks causes most accidents indoors. Never punish accidents. It only confuses your puppy. Instead, interrupt gently and take your puppy outside fast. Crate training can speed potty training dramatically. Puppies avoid soiling where they sleep. Use that instinct. Watch for signals like sniffing, circling, or sudden wandering. Catch these signals early, and accidents drop fast. Consistency every day turns confusion into a solid habit.
In just weeks, your puppy can start asking to go out.
Potty training gets easier when you stay patient and predictable. Follow these steps daily, and your puppy will learn faster than you expect. One mistake owners mar is giving puppy too much freedom too soon. Limit space at first so your puppy learns faster. Use supervision like training, not just watching your puppy. Leash-guided supervision stops accidents before they happen. If accidents happen, and clean the scent completely. Leftover smells can invite your puppy back to the same spot. Nighttime potty routines are just as important. One final potty break before bed prevents overnight accidents.
Use a potty schedule, not random guesses.
Predictable schedules make puppies feel secure and learn quicker. Want faster results? Try bell training with your puppy.
Teach your puppy to ring a bell before going outside.
Soon your puppy may ask to go out on its own. Don't compare your puppy's progress to others.
Some puppies learn in days, and others need a few weeks.
Patience creates trust, and trust speeds up training. Now accidents are rare because routine became habit. This is where frustrated owners start seeing real success. Stay consistent one more week and results get even better. Your puppy isn't stubborn, and it just needs clear daily guidance. Now let's make your puppy's training even faster with pro tricks. Use the same door every time to build stronger habits. Repetition creates signals your puppy starts recognizing automatically. Keep potty trips boring. This is training, not playtime.
If potty time becomes playtime, your puppy may get distracted.
Reward first, then play after success. Track accidents to discover your puppy was natural potty pattern. When you know the pattern, accidents become easier to prevent. Regression can happen, but don't panic and go back to basics. Even setbacks are part of successful puppy training. Now your puppy waits at the door instead of making mistakes. This is the moment training starts feeling easy. What felt impossible weeks ago now feels completely natural. A well-trained puppy grows into a confident, reliable dog. The real secret wasn't speed. It was daily consistency. Simple habits done daily beat complicated training every time.
Stick with this method, and your puppy will surprise you.
From daily accidents to reliable habits, that's real progress. Start today, stay patient, and watch your puppy learn fast. With the right steps, your puppy can be potty trained faster than you imagined.